Hi guys, do you want to have dozen color of hibiscus flowers in your garden or home? We'll follow the flowering tips in this video. Hibiscus flowers will reward your garden or home with days and days of blooms. Come with me please. Welcome to Green Plant Guide. Hibiscus is fast growing. All varieties of hibiscus bloom in summer, the most popular months for this being August. The bloom cycle is usually lasts around 3 to 4 weeks. Today I want to tell you secrets to increase flowering in hibiscus shrub. Sunlight. To get more flowers, hibiscus need at least 6 to 8 hours direct sunlight. Without direct sun, you can't expect hibiscus to flower. In fact, the more direct sun they get, the better they will bloom.
Watering. Hibiscus produce blossoms only if it is given enough water. If you are growing in containers, daily watering is needed, especially in summer. If it's winter season, it may need less frequent watering depending on the zone you live in.
Pest control. Controlling pests is a very important step to keep the plant blooming. Common pests like butterflies or aphids can be easily eliminated using organic neem oil.
Potting soil. Hibiscus prefer a slightly acidic soil like around 6.0 plus minus 0.5.
You can follow a simple potting mix recipe to get more hibiscus flower. 30% garden soil, 30% compost or vermicompost, and 30% coco peat or peat moss, 10% additional stuff like bone meal powder. You need to mix some important ingredients into the potting mix like 1 spoon of rock phosphate, which are a great source of phosphorus.
Phosphorus strengthens the root system, and a strong root system is essential for flowering and plant growth. Notice, too much phosphorus reduces hibiscus blooms by immobilizing some nutrients in the soil. Fertilizer. If you want to get the best results, you can also use compost tea sprays once in a while, like once a month.
Before using organic or homemade fertilizer, raking is recommended.
Make it a habit once in 15 days.
Pruning. The best time for pruning is in the fall. Pruning the plant branches encourages the formation of more branches and hence more flowering. You can do hard pruning once in a year. If any indoor hibiscus plants hard pruning before bringing them indoor for the winter season. You need to perform deadheading of the flowers from time to time.
Deadheading means removing the dead and dried flower. This is the most important step for maintaining blooms, as this will divert the energy to plant growth and more flowering rather than seed formation.
Thanks for watching. Do it yourself and enjoy gardening.